This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, May 16th. Starting out with the stock index futures, another new record high for the NASDAQ today. This even though we did have some weak economic data with housing starts and permits coming in lower than expected. However, there was some better than expected numbers with the industrial production and capacity utilization numbers, but overall we are seeing stock index futures overperforming the news, suggesting that there are further gains ahead. Moving over to the currencies, seeing the dollar index now lower for a fourth day. In fact, moving down to 6-month lows. This even though the Fed is on track to raise interest rates probably at the June meeting. So the dollar continues to underperform the news, which has to be viewed as a sign of weakness. Dollar index, in our opinion, is probably the one currency that I would be trading from the short side. The euro currency advancing, making some new highs for the move as better than expected economic numbers coming out of the eurozone. So there might be some extended gains in the euro currency. Interest rate markets starting out just steady, firming a little bit as stock index futures coming off of their highs, thinking that any strength should be used as selling opportunities in the bond market as inflation is likely to continue to work higher. That being, I think, the main negative for the interest rate futures markets. And precious metals, gold and silver, last week breaking out above downtrend lines. More inflation apparently on the horizon. That is supporting the precious metals. So any breaks that we see in gold and silver should be used as buying opportunities. Also, I would not be surprised to see new highs for the move in both the gold and silver before the end of this year. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.